They have two options. Prior to Election Day, they will be able to have their identification verified by checking in, showing an ID to a poll worker. That envelope will be stamped that it is ID verified, and it will go into a drop box. This allows those ballots to come directly to the Maricopa Tabulation Center so that they don't have to go through the signature verification process. What's even more exciting is on Election Day, if somebody comes to a vote center with their early ballot, again, they will have already filled it out. It's going to be in the green affidavit envelope. It will be signed. They can come in and for their ballot, show ID, confirm that it is them. They will then take the ballot out of the envelope and be able to tabulate it on Election Day. Those ballots will be able to be a part of election night results.